How to reinstall Windows 10 using MBR partition. First, we hit the boot key and go to the BIOS settings. For this one is F2. And then maneuver onto the right tab. We go to the boot tab and just set the boot priority order. Make sure that your Windows 10 flash drive is on the top one. You can do that by hitting F6 to move it into the first order, and then hit F10 to save your new settings. Hit yes. Right, okay, so we're going to wait for it to load up. Press any key to boot from the USB, so just press any key. I've hit enter. And there's going to be a pop-up. Let's have a look what that is. Right, there you go. So it's basically saying if you want to do a clean installation of Windows 10, you have to hit no. So let's click no. And there you go. Click next. Install now. Setup is starting. It is going to take a little while. It depends on the age of your laptop. So the next process, I don't have a product key. And then select the type of Windows license you're installing. This time it's Windows 10 Pro. And accept the terms. Click next. We do the custom installation. We just clean the drive, delete the existing partitions from it. So delete all the partition. Right, and you have to click new, apply. And then format your second partition. Okay. Hit next. So that is just going to install Windows 10 Pro on your machine. Right, so it's just installing features, installing updates. It's done that. Now it's going to restart. Wait for a few seconds. Now onto the initial setup, like the region. And your keyboard layout. You can skip some of these unless you have specific settings that you want. I will skip the connecting to the Wi-Fi at the moment, and I'll just continue with limited setup. And then nominate your username. I'll just use the word user. Hit next. And I will not nominate any password. I'll just skip that bit. No need for Katana unless you need it. Then you go hit accept. And that is just going to carry on installing Windows 10 Pro. We're getting everything ready for you. It's going to take several minutes. Again, it depends on the age of your laptop. Now, there you go. That is your freshly installed Windows 10 onto this Packard Bell laptop. Now, to carry on with your fresh installation process, you need to make sure that all your drivers are installed and it's all updated for you. So connect to the Wi-Fi and then check Device Manager if you have any driver that needs updating or reinstalling or what have you. And then also go to your settings and make sure that your Windows 10's license is in there. Otherwise, you have to purchase a Windows 10 key, genuine license. So here we go. I'm just going to go to settings. And automatically it's going to say it needs activation, meaning the license key is outdated or it's not activated yet. How do you do that? Go to activation and then just hit change product key and enter your Windows 10 license key. I'll skip that bit for you. I'm going to use my own license key, and then I'll go to the device manager as well. Let's have a look if there's any driver issues. It's just thinking about it. So there is one driver that needs updating, so I'll take care of that. And I've also activated my Windows license in the background. Just run your Windows update and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching.